Imagine an aircraft so advanced, its existence has been the subject of rumors and conspiracy theories for decades. It's said to move at hypersonic speeds, appear on radar screens as a ghost, and deploy weapons with pinpoint accuracy before vanishing into the night sky. This isn't some sci-fi movie. It's the TR3B Black Manta, one of the most secretive and advanced stealth aircraft in the world. With capabilities that sound almost unbelievable, the TR3B has been shrouded in mystery for years. But now reports are emerging that this enigmatic craft, developed under the strictest levels of secrecy, is not only real but operational. Using technology that defies conventional engineering, the TR3B Black Manta could represent a game-changing shift in air combat, combining speed, agility, and cutting-edge stealth technology in a single formidable platform. Today, we're diving deep into the details of this aircraft, its origins, capabilities, and why it's causing sleepless nights for adversaries like Russia and China. The story of the TR3B Black Manta is as shadowy as the aircraft itself. Its origins reportedly trace back to the late Cold War era, a time when the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a relentless technological arms race. During the 1980s, as the US government explored ways to maintain its air superiority, it became clear that simply enhancing existing platforms wouldn't be enough. The F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first operational stealth aircraft, was revolutionary in its time, but its limitations, such as speed and payload capacity, became apparent as military conflicts evolved. The stealth technology of the F-117 provided an edge, but future conflicts demanded a fighter capable of much more. The Gulf War of the early 1990s served as a proving ground for stealth technology. The F-117 excelled in penetrating enemy defenses. But it was clear that a next-generation platform would need to combine the stealth capabilities of the Nighthawk with the speed, range, and versatility of other combat aircraft. Military strategists and engineers within organizations like Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works and Northrop Grumman began experimenting with concepts that pushed the boundaries of conventional aerospace engineering. These companies, which had developed icons like the SR-71 Blackbird and B-2 Spirit, set their sights on creating an aircraft that could achieve unparalleled performance across multiple domains. The need for a platform that could both evade detection and travel at unprecedented speeds led to the development of experimental projects under black-budget programs. These programs, so secretive that even their names remain classified, were aimed at creating a multi-role stealth aircraft capable of penetrating the most sophisticated enemy defenses. The TR3B project emerged from these efforts, reportedly as a hybrid stealth reconnaissance and attack platform. Unlike conventional aircraft, it would not just rely on radar-absorbing materials, but would integrate breakthrough propulsion technologies that could achieve hypersonic speeds without leaving a detectable heat signature. The secrecy surrounding the TR3B's development is also linked to the high stakes of its potential capabilities. If successful, this aircraft would be the ultimate deterrent, a craft that could appear, strike, and vanish, leaving adversaries with little to no warning. Historical figures like Secretary of Defense Dick Cheney, who spearheaded stealth programs during the late 1980s and early 1990s, were instrumental in pushing for next-generation platforms that would secure American air dominance well into the 21st century. Collaborations with agencies like DARPA Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency ensured that the TR3B integrated the most advanced technologies available, some of which remain highly classified even today. The TR3B Black Manta is often described as a technological marvel, combining systems that go beyond the conventional scope of military aviation. Its propulsion system is the most significant leap, one that potentially breaks the barriers of what we know about aerodynamics and propulsion physics. While traditional fighter jets rely on jet engines burning aviation fuel to generate thrust, the TR3B reportedly utilizes a hybrid propulsion method. This involves conventional jet engines for low-speed flight combined with a theoretical anti-gravity propulsion system known as a magnetic field disruptor. If accurate, this system could allow the aircraft to drastically reduce its mass, enabling hypersonic speeds without generating the usual friction and heat signature that make detection possible. Such a propulsion system would also give the TR3B an advantage in maneuverability. Unlike traditional aircraft that require aerodynamic surfaces such as flaps and stabilizers to change direction, the TR3B's rumored anti-gravity capabilities would allow it to shift its position and trajectory almost instantaneously, something no known aircraft can achieve. This instantaneous change in movement would not only allow it to evade incoming threats, but also provide a significant advantage in offensive maneuvers, making it capable of intercepting and engaging targets with unparalleled speed and precision. The aircraft's stealth capabilities are believed to surpass anything previously seen in military aviation. While aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning utilize radar-absorbing coatings and carefully designed airframes to reduce their radar cross-sections, the TR-3B's stealth goes beyond these methods. It reportedly features a cloaking system that manipulates electromagnetic waves, bending light and radio frequencies around the aircraft to make it appear invisible not only to radar systems, but also to visual detection. This would make the TR-3B nearly impossible to track or target, even by advanced enemy systems. Additionally, the TR-3B is said to be equipped with a state-of-the-art electronic warfare suite capable of both offensive and defensive operations. This system could not only jam enemy radar and communication systems, but also launch cyber attacks to disable critical infrastructure in real time. In effect, the TR-3B acts as an airborne electronic fortress, equipped to dominate the electromagnetic spectrum and provide support for other U.S. aircraft. These capabilities turn the TR-3B into an aircraft that not only evades and outpaces its enemies, but can also control and manipulate the electronic battlefield to its advantage. When we look at the TR3B Black Manta in comparison to other aircraft, its significance becomes even clearer. Existing stealth aircraft, like the F-117 Nighthawk and the B-2 Spirit, were groundbreaking in their time, focusing primarily on radar invisibility. However, these platforms were limited in their operational flexibility, optimized for specific missions such as night strikes or long-range bombing runs. The TR-3B, however, represents a new class of multi-domain aircraft, capable of shifting between various mission types in a single sortie. This versatility allows it to perform reconnaissance, air-to-ground strikes, and air superiority missions without needing to return to base for reconfiguration. Modern fifth-generation fighters such as the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor are impressive feats of engineering designed to excel in stealth and combat performance. However, they are limited by conventional fuel and propulsion technologies, which restrict their speed and endurance. The TR-3B, by contrast, could potentially operate at speeds that put it in the realm of hypersonic travel, speeds above Mach 5. This capability would allow it to reach hostile airspace faster than any other aircraft currently in service, making it a critical tool for rapid response scenarios. In missions that require immediate retaliation or high-speed interception, the TR-3B's speed and range give it a significant strategic advantage. Its role in the military's broader strategy extends beyond its individual capabilities. In modern warfare, air superiority is not just about controlling the sky, but also about controlling the electronic spectrum and having the capacity to deliver quick, precise strikes. The TR-3B's advanced stealth and electronic warfare capabilities make it an ideal candidate for penetrating heavily defended airspace, jamming enemy defenses, and providing a clear path for other assets such as bombers, UCAVs, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, and even space-based assets. By integrating these capabilities, the TR-3B serves as both a spearhead and a shield, clearing threats while protecting other aircraft. In essence, the TR-3B is not just a fighter, it's an air dominance platform. Its ability to perform in various environments and adapt to evolving battlefield conditions ensures that it remains an invaluable asset in the U.S. military's quest to maintain global superiority. The development and potential deployment of the TR-3B Black Manta have significant implications for global military balance, particularly when considering its impact on Russia and China. Both nations have invested heavily in next-generation fighters, such as the Russian Su-57 and the Chinese J-20, with the aim of challenging U.S. air superiority. These aircraft represent significant technological advancements for their respective countries, incorporating stealth capabilities and advanced weapon systems. However, despite these efforts, the TR-3B's rumored capabilities appear to place it in a class of its own. For instance, while the Su-57 boasts impressive agility and advanced avionics. It relies on a more traditional approach to stealth, focusing on reduced radar cross-sections. This approach may not be sufficient against the TR3B, which uses electronic countermeasures and infrared tracking systems that can detect heat signatures, rather than relying solely on radar. In a combat scenario, the TR3B could identify and target the Su-57 long before the Russian pilot is even aware of its presence. China's J-20 stealth fighter presents another interesting case. As China's premier stealth aircraft, it's designed to engage in both air-to-air combat and long-range strikes. However, its speed and maneuverability are limited when compared to the hypersonic capabilities attributed to the TR3B. Additionally, the J-20's stealth advantage may be nullified if the TR3B's cloaking systems and infrared tracking capabilities are as advanced as reported. This would give the U.S. an edge in contested regions like the South China Sea, where rapid deployment and engagement could determine control over key air and sea lanes. The TR3B's ability to neutralize advanced air defense systems like Russia's S-400 or China's HQ-9 is another area where it poses a significant threat. Both of these systems are designed to target and eliminate traditional and stealth aircraft, but the TR3B's speed and electromagnetic warfare capabilities may render these defenses ineffective. By the time an S-400 battery detects the TR3B, it could already be too late, as the aircraft can deliver its payload or disable the system remotely before evading. This capability to penetrate and neutralize air defenses not only tilts the balance in favor of the U.S., but also serves as a powerful deterrent against potential escalation. The TR3B's weapons loadout and operational flexibility are designed to provide maximum versatility, enabling it to execute a wide range of missions with efficiency and precision. It's believed that the TR3B carries an arsenal that includes next-generation air-to-air missiles like the AIM-260, Joint Advanced Tactical Missile JATM, which surpasses the range and capabilities of existing systems like the AIM-120 AMRAAM. These advanced missiles allow the TR3B to engage enemy aircraft from extreme distances, maintaining its stealth and speed advantages while eliminating threats before they can pose any danger. In addition to its air-to-air capabilities, the TR3B's air-to-ground potential is equally formidable. Equipped with precision-guided munitions, such as the GBU-53/B Stormbreaker, it can engage moving ground targets with pinpoint accuracy. This capability is crucial in modern combat environments, where mobile missile launchers and command centers must be targeted quickly to disrupt enemy operations. The aircraft's ability to operate with a diverse range of munitions, potentially including hypersonic weapons, ensures it can adapt to various combat scenarios, whether striking hardened targets or providing close air support. The TR3B's energy weapons, if confirmed, would represent a significant leap forward in combat technology. High-energy lasers and EMP, electromagnetic pulse devices, would allow the aircraft to intercept enemy missiles mid-flight, destroy enemy infrastructure, or disable electronic systems without ever firing a conventional missile. This suite of weaponry, combined with its extensive range and endurance thanks to its hybrid propulsion system, gives the TR3B a reach and lethality unmatched by current platforms. The production of the TR3B remains a tightly guarded secret, but indications suggest that the U.S. has committed to building a fleet capable of rapid deployment in multiple theaters. Using advanced aerospace manufacturing techniques developed for other stealth platforms like the B-21 Raider, the TR3B's assembly process is likely streamlined to minimize costs and maintain secrecy. Reports indicate that production is being carried out at specialized facilities, including those at Area 51 and other undisclosed locations, further shielding the program from public scrutiny. Deployment is rumored to have already commenced, with the first operational units stationed at key bases in the U.S. and NATO territories in Europe. By positioning these aircraft in strategic locations, the U.S. ensures it can respond swiftly to any potential threats, providing a rapid and overwhelming show of force that adversaries like Russia and China must account for. The small but highly effective fleet strategy aligns with other top-tier programs, focusing on maximizing impact while maintaining stealth and surprise. Looking ahead, the TR3B is poised to play a pivotal role in America's air strategy. As sixth-generation aircraft and drone swarms begin to populate the battlefield, the TR3B will act as the critical link that integrates these technologies. Its advanced systems and modular design suggest that future upgrades could be implemented with minimal downtime, keeping it at the forefront of technological advancements. The TR3B's ability to perform as an electronic warfare hub and a hypersonic interceptor will ensure that it remains indispensable as air combat continues to evolve. So what do you think? Is the TR3B Black Manta the ultimate game-changer in modern air combat? Or is it just the tip of the iceberg for what's to come in next-generation warfare? Do you believe this aircraft will be the backbone of America's air strategy for years to come? Or will it be surpassed by future technologies? Let us know in the comments below. Do you think the TR3B's rumored technology is real? Or is it just a myth designed to keep adversaries guessing? If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most secretive aircraft in the world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more military tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.